Hello everyone, let's dive into the ATLAHET 8K DisplayPort KVM switch, a serious contender for anyone juggling multiple computers and displays. This thing is built to handle a high-performance setup, supporting 3 monitors at up to 4K resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate, or even 8K if your setup allows. It's designed for users who demand the best visual fidelity and smooth performance. The core function of this KVM switch is to allow seamless control of 2 computers using a single set of peripherals, your keyboard, mouse, and monitors. This eliminates the clutter of multiple sets of input devices and simplifies your workspace. The ATLAHET KVM switch supports both extended and copy display modes, offering flexibility in how you manage your screen real estate across multiple computers. Whether you need to spread your work across several monitors or mirror displays for presentations, this switch has you covered. Connectivity is a strong point. It features 4 USB 3.0 ports, providing ample connections for peripherals like external hard drives, webcams, or high-speed storage devices. The inclusion of USB 3.0 ensures fast data transfer speeds, which is crucial for demanding tasks. The switch uses DisplayPort connectors, which are essential for achieving the high resolutions and refresh rates it promises. The build quality appears solid, with an aluminum casing that should provide durability and heat dissipation. The compact dimensions, 5.85 by 2.5 by 1.9 inches, mean it won't take up too much space on your desk. The switch is powered by a 12V adapter, and it uses a barrel jack connector for power input. Operation is straightforward, thanks to the push-button switch and wired controller. Switching between computers is quick and easy. The switch also includes terminal screws, which might be useful for certain installation scenarios. In summary, the ATLAHET 8K DisplayPort KVM switch is a well-featured device for users needing to control multiple computers with a single set of peripherals and multiple high-resolution displays. Its support for 4K 120Hz and potentially 8K resolutions, along with the inclusion of USB 3.0 ports, makes it a versatile tool for both professional and personal use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.